Take a cardboard, mark a circle and cut it. Take a piece of white paper and mark another circle and cut it. Cover the cardboard circle with the paper circle. Now take a green soft air dry clay and make a long stem and a slightly shorter one. Add 2 leaves. Now mix purple with white and create teeny balls. Adhere them upwards from deeper to lighter. Decorate the periphery with small light blue clay beads. Take another cardboard piece and stick it as stand. And your miniature clay flower art frame is ready.